What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Fleetwood Trades Crypto. It's Sunday wrap-up time, and I'm going to take a page out of one of my favorite broadcasters' playbook from Chris Berman. We're going to do the fastest 5 minutes in crypto. So with that being said, we're going to hop into the charts. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. It is all greatly appreciated. So we are taking a look at the most bullish chart right now, and that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the weekly time frame held the fair value gap and is pushing up off of that fair value gap immediately onto this new weekly candle. Break this zone, break this downtrend, break the consolidation range and 76,000, and then it's lift off. We break the all-time high and it's lift off to full on bull parabolic run. Now, what is next? Next we have Pikamoon. Pikamoon has held its area of support and resistance on the daily time frame. It has held the fair value gap. It is done what we expected it to do, and immediately on the daily time frame there was a nice big pump because someone decided to sell 22 million tokens about 3 or 4 hours ago. It all got bought immediately back up. There's buying pressure to hold this zone. I told you this zone was not going to break. This was going to be a new bottom. Get ready for a bounce up off of the support line. We're looking at an immediate range of 0.006. Get back to that phase one price, and then we're going to be golden. Suipad. What do we have in Suipad? Suipad did exactly what I told you it was going to do. It made this bull pennant here, and it broke this bull pennant, and it's been up and away. So we're going to test here. We're going to take a look and check and see what this previous high level is. This local high at 0.0 or 0.19, so 19 cents. We're going to look for 20 cents on the immediate time frame, and we're going to look for a high in the next month to 2 months to test this open of the actual chart, like the initial high of its launch at around 64 cents. That's what we're going to look to test in the next month or two. Shadow token. What do you have with shadow token? Shadow token, we have a bottom pattern. This is a classic bottoming pattern. We've got support here multiple times with a descending resistance. It's going to break soon. It is going to break, and at this range, anything from here, from all the way down to 30 cents up until this previous high at 44 cents, this is all a great premium buying range. Or actually, it's a discount buying range. This is an extremely discounted buying range. And you can take a look at Genesis Go. They actually posted today that the Shadow Drive 2.0 decentralized storage architecture reduces reliance on traditional cloud platforms and server farms by utilizing mobile and low power devices for data redundancy and scaling. It is leaderless architecture and directed acyclical graph DAG model is optimized for data interactions between mobile devices. Version 2 is built to minimize overhead without sacrificing performance, all while maintaining security. So they're very close to launching Shadow Drive version 2. That launch could coincide with a break from the bottom pattern, and then we're up and away on Shadow token. What is next? Let's see what we got next. We're looking at Gaimin. Gaimin is still struggling. It's on the bottom, but we do have an announcement. And we drew this trend line. We are at probably the lowest point you will get to see Gaimin is right now. And we have an announcement in Discord. Tuesday, October 8th, 11 a.m., we have an AMA with the Gaimin core team members. So with that being said, guys, there should be some big announcements coming, and expect a move either by then or after that announcement, after that AMA. Lush has been on fire. Lush has been absolutely ripping. It's over 436%, or right at 436% over the course of the past month. It's cooled off a little bit the past 2 days, down 19%, down 12%. It's a cooled off period. I'm hoping to get back to this range of this fair value gap. It'll be right up at the 6.2 Fibonacci ray trace, and this fair value gap getting filled here on the daily time frame would be an amazing spot for me to buy in more, because I currently only hold about just under 3 million tokens, and I want more. Guys, that's it. That's my wrap up for the day. Oh, one more last thing. Lush is also doing an AMA tomorrow, 12 UTC, with some rewards and some things going on. Take a look at their Twitter page. Follow them. Lush AI, Lush Agency, I think is what it is. Let's see. Lush AI Agency. There they are. And yeah, there's a lot going on. There's a lot to be bullish about. And with Bitcoin breaking and holding that fair value gap, it has been incredibly bullish. So the last thing here. In the spirit of transparency, here are my holdings, my exact dollar amounts, my holdings, everything. I'm gonna update this week by week, and I'm gonna give out the link so you guys can see what I'm holding. You see everything. I will show you if I sell anything, if I buy anything more. what my dollar amount is. I'm currently invested in crypto with $35,600 and some dollars. Actually, a little bit more than that because some of my things I'm down in, some things I'm up, but I think I'm a little bit more down than up. But there's my transparency. I'm telling you guys, there's nothing that I will do that I will not make public because that's just what I want to do with this page or with this channel. So hope you enjoyed. As always, until next time, peace.